Well, today we're clearing out some of the aquaponics and harvesting some of the vegetables. I had way too many tomatoes. Kind of look like that, kind of like a jungle. Well, I've just cleared this area out here, and now I'm going to go ahead and harvest some celery. Celery grows really well in the aquaponics. It's a fast-growing plant. It loves water, obviously. So when you're getting your system started, it's a good thing to plant a couple of these because it'll help purify your water a lot quicker. I went ahead and cut it right off at the base. The root is still in there, and if I let it grow, it'll grow right back. They do have a big root mass, but again, their purpose really for me is to help purify the water, especially in an early system. Thanks for watching.